will the downturn of the economy affect the life insurance companies and their ability to pay death claims? And the second part of my question is, should you keep your life insurance policy or cash it in for the current face value of the accumulated dividends?
Wow, that's a good question.
Well, I assume that's for me.
Nobody else at this table is going to touch that question, Norm. Go ahead.
Well, just let me say this, just in a nutshell, is that all of our premiums that we pay into insurance companies, the insurance companies turn around and invest that into the world system, either into the into bonds or into mortgages or into the stock market or whatever. And as shaky as it gets in that world financial system is what's going to be reflected in the insurance companies at some point in time. AIG is probably the best and most recent example that we have of that, where they had taken all of that premium money, all of those insurance premiums, and they were up to their neck in derivatives. And then when the subprime mortgage, and most of those derivatives were collateralized debt obligations, mortgage-backed securities, and things on that order, which is a totally, from a biblical perspective, is a totally unrighteous investment that in the end will collapse, and that's exactly what happened. That's how we know it's not from God, is because it collapses. If it's designed by God, it doesn't do stuff like that. And so what will happen is that just as the world system goes down, insurance companies will ultimately go down with it. And so my recommendation is, first of all, look at your insurance company, find out if they're in things like derivatives and things like that. But then look at possibly, if it's got cash value in it, look at possibly bringing that cash value and bringing it home, because if AIG had not had the government bailout, there would have been a lot of people that would still be trying to collect the cash value in their insurance products.
And Norm, what you're saying is the day is coming where the government won't be able to bail anybody out.
Exactly.